In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix PS5 keeps crashing when playing certain games. So what you need to do firstly is to go into settings on your PS5 here, as you can see, then scroll down and click on storage, and then on console storage right here. Make sure that you actually double check so that your storage is okay. If it's really bad, like it's close to being filled completely, you need to clean some of this up right here to relieve some storage, if that makes sense. And after you have done so, this can sometimes fix this issue. But what you also have to do is to go into system right here, as you can see, and then click on system software, scroll down, click on system software update and settings, and make sure that this one is up to date. So click here and then update using internet. And when you have updated, or if you already have the most up to date, then we can just go back to this page right here, click on users and accounts. And in here, scroll down, click on other, click on restore licenses, and then select that specific game that is lagging for you, or it's not like possible to do anything. Maybe it crashes, lags, or whatever. Click on Roblox, or I'm going to click on Roblox because this game has been pretty bad for me like recently. Then I'm going to click on restore here, and then I have to just restore this one actually. And when license is restored, you can go back into the game and try once again, and hopefully now it's going to be fixed for you as well.